Welcome to HUMB. In this guide, we'll walk you through using the swap feature, the fast and easy way to exchange one cryptocurrency for another. Ready to get started? What is the swap feature? The swap feature on HUMB lets you instantly exchange one cryptocurrency for another. To use this feature, make sure you have the cryptocurrency available in your main wallet. Step 1. Log into your HUMB account. First, visit the HUMB website and log in using your credentials. Step 2. Locate the swap feature. Once logged in, find the swap button located in the header of the page. Go ahead and click on the swap button to proceed. Step 3. Select the cryptocurrencies for swap. You'll see two selection boxes labeled From and To. In the From box, select the cryptocurrency you want to exchange. In the To box, select the cryptocurrency you wish to receive in exchange. Step 4. Confirm and complete the swap. Click on the swap button to proceed. Before confirming, double-check the following details. The swap will be done from your main wallet. Minimum and maximum swap limits apply. A blockchain network fee is charged, which may vary based on market conditions. The fee amount will be displayed before you confirm. Processing time. It may take some time for the swapped funds to reflect in your wallet. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use the swap feature on HUMB. Enjoy seamless and instant crypto exchanges and happy trading. If you have questions or need assistance, we're always here to help. Thanks for choosing HUMB.